Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great summer. I know I am. Look, on this video, I want to share a dead simple hack that you can use starting today. It's not going to cost you a nickel to do, and it's going to help you get more car count and even better car count. Are you in? Before I do that, let me ask you just one question. Do you remember this guy? That's Ty Lopez, and most people just refer to him as that Here in My Garage video guy. Ty rose to a lot of fame early 2015 when that Here in My Garage video was all over the internet. Let me show you what I mean.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. It's fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Knowledge. In fact,
But like so many other things on the internet, there were a lot of haters. There were a lot of blog posts that referred to his operation as fraudulent. But in fact, he was a seasoned and, let's call it, pretty smart marketer. A subscriber recently shared this video with me of Ty Lopez speaking at an engagement. Now, whether you like him or not, I'm going to tell you, I think there's a valuable lesson in here that you can really use, and you can use it today. So let me show you. But before we do that, let me just extend my apologies because this was recorded on my phone and the audio may not be the clearest. But here it is.
You are using words the whole time in business. You are in China speaking Flemish.
Ty's talking about the fact that in so many cases, you're trying to explain things with just words. And when you get into deeper explanations, you can lose people or they aren't following everything that you're saying. In other words, you're not speaking their language. As Ty said in the video, you could be in China speaking Flemish. But here's the rest of the video.
The reason you use numbers is it's a universally agreed upon set of metrics that's easy to understand whether you're Chinese or Belgian. So if I say to somebody 1 to 10, in which I said, how badly do you want to sell? 10 means you want to sell tomorrow. 1 means you'll never sell even if I offer you $1 trillion. And the dude says 9. Now I know what he means, and we agree. It means this dude wants to sell in the next 5 days. So that's where words suck.
You've done stuff like that before, haven't you? But have you applied it in your business? Look, as a simple example, let's say you're talking to a client that has a brake issue and you need to explain to them how dire the issue is. You could explain about the rotors and the parts and you could go on, but you're sort of speaking in a different language because they probably don't follow the details and know them as well as you do. But what if you did something like this? Hey, when it comes to the brakes on your car, if we put them on a scale of 0 to 10, being 0, they're like brand new, or 10, they are like so bad you shouldn't even drive the car, and then you go to your customer and say, your brakes are at a 9. Applying a number to the condition of the brakes right now instantly tells the customer where they stand. And there isn't any difficult words or trying to explain things or drawing things in the air or trying to show them old parts and new parts. It's instant and it goes across all languages. Whether the person has a difficulty understanding your language or you're not able to explain it the way you really want to, when you put a number to the condition of a job, you instantly communicate where they stand with that work. The cool thing is that you can start using this today. Go ahead and leave your comments down below and tell me if you've done anything like this, or let me know how it works when you try it in your shop. Hey, if this video has helped you improve the marketing or car count in your repair shop, would it be a bad idea to go ahead below and hit that like button? Thank you. Really appreciate it. Doing that also signals to YouTube that they should push this video out to other shop owners just like you. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell icon. That way you'll be able to get all my updates and know exactly what's going on to help you grow your car count, income, and profit. Matthew the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care. Talk real soon.